Bro, smack it, bro. My arm! No! What the Sigma? Okay, so... Whoa! It's jmancurly. It's jmancurly's the game. Game. Okay, I joined a code.
Who wants to do story mode?
People are doing...
Ladies and gentlemen, I see you running around down there. Oh, there you are. Listen, welcome to Schmackle Day 1. I'm so excited to have you guys here. Let's get building. Let me know what you think. And Gonzalez is hiding somewhere in the map, so try to find him. Later.
Okay, so this is gonna be short, but let's go. We're gonna go check out stuff. I think J-Man made this game. You can buy like a turret and stuff. You can double jump, which is cool. There's something out there. I don't know what's going on. Oh, not back there, guys.
Where's the player?
What's back here? Oh, that looks not fun.
Follow me.
Okay. Hello? What are we gonna do?
Over here.
I think this is a fart pad.
We're still in the drip area.
Drip area?
Yeah, we're in the area.
Okay. Wait, hold up. Stay there. Wait, look at me. Okay, I'm gonna go down dirt. Whoa. Oh, I can... Oh.
Initiating GERT sequence. 5, 4, 3,